Okay, let's do some back to school makeup using only drugstore products. For foundation, I'm going to be using this $3 foundation from the brand e.l.f. Look at how beautiful and glowy this foundation is. It has a satin finish, so you're not going to look cakey at all. For concealer, I'm going to be using Revlon Color Stay. This is a full coverage concealer, but it doesn't feel cakey at all. It has a beautiful glow. Just look at how bright and awake I look. For blush, I'm going to be using this shade from Morphe. This is such a beautiful shade and it's so sheer that you can apply so much on and it just blends out so beautifully. I'm going to set my face with a L'Oreal Infallible powder. Powder lasts up to 24 hours, so it's perfect for those long school hours. Some e.l.f. Jelly Pop lip gloss. This is totally optional, but I applied a Salon Perfect eyelash style 680. If you're completely like no when it comes to eyelashes at school, that's totally okay. I would recommend L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara instead. It is amazing. This is how I would do my makeup if I went back to school.